right, for my spark plugs to bring them out, I'm gonna do a little extra. I got my big ratchet extension. Another extension I'm gonna use. Got my adapter. And then I'm using the third extension. I don't have to. And then the spark plug, 5/8 spark plug, metric. Ratchet bit. And you know, earlier we already loosened up our ignition coils, so we can take those, pop those right out. Be sure to secure the screw so when you pop it up, it don't pop off and fall in the engine. So just hold it as you pull it up. So I got all the spark plugs out. So what I was talking about that I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to take a cap full of this stuff here, Marvel Mystery Oil. I'm going to pour it down each of these spark plug holes. Marvel Mystery Oil is a good treatment for your fuel and your motor. Because it improves the compression power, like it lubricates parts. It keeps your engine clean from smudge and everything. So this you can add into your engine oil. You can add it into your fuel. And as you see, I can pour it down in the engine components parts like the spark plug. And again, it just cleans and lubricates. And if you had a car that's been sitting for like years or whatever, you can pour it in there and it will lubricate it and get parts to become unstuck. So Marvel Mystery Oil, it has a great name because the things that it does is you can marvel at it. Like it really helps. It really helps with the gas grade. It really helps with smooth idling in your engine. And again, it improves your compression. It improves the power. And that in turn helps your miles per gallon. Like, you know, you'll start burning less fuel because your car will be running smoother. But anyway, yeah. I'm not a plug for Marvel Mystery. I'm not. They need to, I'm endorsing their products. They need to, you know, they need to sponsor me, right? No, but this stuff is good. It's good. I use it every time. When I do oil changes, I use it. Yeah, it's great. It's great to use. But in moderation. You don't want to oversaturate your engine with this, and that's why I said a cap full is enough. Like a tablespoon or two, it's enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pour some down here. I'm gonna put these Sparkplugs in here. I have the new one. Right here, we got some Champion Sparkplugs, Champion Copper Plus, brand new. Got 40s. I'm gonna put the Vaseline around the tread, just a little bit around it, and put them in. All right. I like to hand tighten them because that's all they need to go, hand tighten. And then you get the wrench and you torque it down, like 1/12. So you want to put when you get a hand tighten all the way, you put the ratchet on and think of a clock. You want to move from whatever position you're in from that hour to the next hour, and that's it. You don't want to tighten it, over tighten it. You can crush the, if you put it too tight, you can crush the part of the spark plug and crack it. So you don't want none of that. No problems, all right? Once you got those in there, you got the oil down, we got the marble oil in, we just seated the spark plugs. Now it's time to put the ignition coil back in. Okay. We're gonna get ready to put everything back in. Move the camera. You wanna remember, you wanna take that rag out the throttle body. Okay? Take that out the way. I'm double checking my lines and everything is put back together. And I'm glad I double checked because the bracket that goes on this, I didn't put back. So, got that here, remember this? Yeah. The big side for the big holes, small side for the small holes. All right, so we got everything back tightened up. Tighten that with the screwdriver. I tighten that one with the screwdriver. This is tight. Now we're gonna put our battery cables back on. And that's that. Let's start it up. See what we get. Make sure everything's clear. Okay. Alright, yeah. Let's crank it up. And before I crank it up, what I like to do sometimes, I like to just, since I don't have a key, I'll put it to run, but I don't start it. And I leave it like that for at least 2 minutes. That way, anything that needs to reset or reprogram, that's what it gives it time to do, all right? So that's what's going on right now. It's reprogramming for 2 minutes, all right? All right, guys, it's been about a little over 2 minutes. Let's start it. It looks good, no engine light. But we'll see later because battery disconnected. but it's good, guys. All right, so that's that. We did a good job. We did a great job. That completes our video. I hope that it's helped you a lot. I hope that it was easy to follow. And if you enjoyed the video, if it helped you out, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you'll know when new videos get put up. I've been your host with the most, from city to city, and yes, y'all, coast to coast. And we just went and replaced our fuel injectors and our spark plugs. All right, we saved that money, y'all. We did it ourselves. We learned while we went and to do it. We learned as we went, and you know, we're good. We're golden. So until next time, like I always say, take care of yourselves and the ones you love. All right, love the life you live and live the life you love. Pharaoh Dawes out.